Good evening, this is Swastika Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. Odisha government in talks with Centre for granting iron ore mine to POSCO, says Minister in State Legislative Assembly. Prime Minister Narendra Modi likely to dedicate modernization project of Rourkela steel plant to the nation during one-day trip to the city on April 1st. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar says India is watchful and ready to deal with the threats from Somali pirates who are shifting base towards India. Congress raises record of rights for slum dwellers issue in Assembly. Minister says steps are being taken to address the problem. And government admits that commercial tax to the tune of more than Rs 2,333 crore lying uncollected from different business units and organizations. Now the details. The Odisha government is negotiating with the centre about granting an iron ore lease to POSCO after amendments to the Mines Minerals Development and Regulation MMDR bill were ratified by Parliament. This was informed by Steel and Mines Minister Prafulla Kumar Malik in the State Legislative Assembly yesterday. Malik stated that the Korean steel major will have to take part in the auction process as per the new law. But since the state government had committed to the company that it will provide an iron ore lease to set up its steel plant, it is currently negotiating with the union government to resolve the issue without violating any law. Meanwhile, senior lawyer Manas Mahapatra has opined that legally centre can grant mine to POSCO.
पोस्को को ऑक्शन को जाको पड़ो जहाँ आईन व्यवस्था अच्छी आम ताकू प्रतिश्रुति देलु जे आम तुमको माइनिंग देवु तेणु आम केन्द्र सरकार सहित कथबार्ता होचु जे ताकू पोस्को कि भाई माइनिंग दि जापर व्यवस्था कले आईन को उल्लंघन न करी से व्यवस्था हम से आलोचना चलती जदि न दि जागला इंटरनेशनल कमिटमेंट प्रभावित
बर्तमान गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भितर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग हैज डेवलप्ड सो से अंडरस्टैंडिंग टाकू जदि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इनसिस्ट करे जे आमे जेहेतु कमिटमेंट करिछु एवं प्राइम मिनिस्टर अर्लियर स्टेटमेंट गोटे दे सारिछन्ती तेणु स्टेट गवर्नमेंट रिक्वेस्ट को ऑनर करा जाऊ तेणु मो व्यू रे आईन रे ए वर्तमान नुआ आईन व्यवस्था रे किछि असुविधा हबो नै पोस्को को दिया जाय पारिबो ओपन बिड को पोस्को केबे आसीबो नाही 100%.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to dedicate the modernization project of the Rourkela steel plant to the country during his scheduled one-day trip to the city on April 1st. During his visit, Modi is also scheduled to lay the foundation stone for the expansion of the existing airstrip in the steel city. Last month, a 4-member team of Airport Authority of India had visited the airstrip to make a survey report. Informing this to media, Union Minister Jewel Oram said the PM would like to address a public gathering and examine a number of pending projects, including a plan to convert the Ispat General Hospital into a medical college.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी 1 एप्रिल दिन राउरकेला गस्तरे आसबार योजना अच्छी से 4.5 मिलियन टन राउरकेला स्टील प्लांट मॉडर्नाइजेशन काम को जाति उद्देश्य उत्सर्गीकृत करेंगे फाइनाल अप्रूवल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस जहाँ हम सेटा हम
जो मोर देखाई मोदी जी संगे दिल्ली रे तांको 4-5टा पॉइंट दिया फर्स्ट मु रिक्वेस्ट करथली नवकलेवर विषय ये आम राउरकेला कहूँ जे गोटे मेडिकल कॉलेज आउ एयरपोर्ट आ ब्राह्मणी ब्रिज निश्चय मोदी जी आसला परे से तांकर वर्कआउट करके जहाँ कहवा कथा कह 1 तारीख है फाइनल किंतु कौन प्रोग्राम हम सेटा आसने.
Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar has warned that Somali pirates have started shifting their base towards India. Speaking at the valedictory function of the International Conference on India and Indian Ocean here yesterday, Parrikar stated that although the pirates are still 450 nautical miles away from India, the country is watchful to deal with such threats. Calling for greater cooperation between the neighbouring countries, he said, "The Indian Ocean can be an enricher and also a destroyer. Hence, we should also be prepared for disaster and develop strong relationships and communication with neighbouring countries to avoid any kind of disaster."
Today's threats are not traditional threats. Non-traditional threats also are coming in. The pirates of Somalia, when being neutralized by the various navies, including India's, are shifting their location towards India.
Now the news from State Legislative Assembly. Congress today wanted to know whether the state government is considering to issue record of rights or patta to slum dwellers staying in urban areas. Congress Chief Whip Tara Prasad Bahinipati sought a reply from Revenue Minister Bijayashree Rautrai on this issue. In his reply, Rautrai said the government is aware of the issue and will take necessary steps after consulting the Law Department.
मैं आपको कहबाक चाहे जे जो मैंने आज की गाँ गहल आसिक जो बंगाली लोक आज 1964 साल एवं विस्थापित सुनाबड़ा एवं विभिन्न जो म्युनिसिपालिटी एनएसी जो बसवास कर राज्य सरकार पट्टा देवे कि ना नहीं ना से बंगाली लोक राज्य बाहर देश बाहर को विदाय करेंगे कि जो विस्थापित एचएल लोक अच्छा देश बाहर राज्य बाहर विस्थापित करेंगे बाहर करेंगे मत निर्दिष्ट उत्तर देवे
ये जो लोक मैंने भिन्न भिन्न सहर में आसिकी अर्बन एरिया रे अछंती तांकर लैंड जमी गाँ गंडारे वसुंधरा स्कीम रे दिया जाउची तांको घर ढिଅ दिया जाउची ये जो सब दिया जाउची से भली व्यवस्था सहरांचल नहीं आईन रे रूल 2 शेड्यूल 2 ओजेलेस रूल नहीं एटा कहीदवा सहज किंतु एटा गोटे ह्यूमन प्रॉब्लम ये ह्यूमन प्रॉब्लम को किमिति सिंपतिर सहित याकू कराजिबो टैकल कराजिबो सेतिपाई सरकार चिंता करुचंती एवं व्यवस्था मध्य करुचंती आमे लॉ डिपार्टमेंट आईन विभाग सम्मति पाई सारा पर ए विषय रे निश्चित भाव में दृढ़ पदक्षेप नेबापई आमे चेष्टा करिबो.
Odisha government today admitted in the State Legislative Assembly that more than rupees 2,333 crore commercial tax is yet to be collected from different business units and organizations in the state till February this year. Participating in the debate during the question hour, Finance Minister Pradeep Kumar Amath said that in most of the cases, the tax could not be collected due to legal wranglings.
विभिन्न व्यावसायिक संस्था उपरे 2333.47 कोटी टंकार वाणिज्य कर अनादाय होई रही 24.28 कोटी टंका सर्वोच्च न्यायालय रहितादेश जो अनादाय होई रही 492.27 कोटी टंका उच्च न्यायालय रहितादेश जो अनादाय होई रही भुवनेश्वर चकलारे एक उत्सर्गीकृत कर असुली शाखा खोलिबा निमंते सरकार स्थिर करिसंती. वाणिज्य कर आयुक्त मुख्य कार्यालय कटक दफ्तर रे वाणिज्य कर बकाया आदाय निमंते स्वतंत्र भाव एक बकाया सेल एरियर सेल गठन करा जायछि एवं सेल माध्यम रे बकाया टिकस आदाय पई पदक्षेप निया जाउछि.
In a major shake-up in the top IPS cadre in the state, the Odisha government today shifted Inspector General Southwest Range Y.V. Khurania and appointed him Special Director of Vigilance. Similarly, IG Intelligence Arun Sarangi will now be the Special Director of Intelligence, while D.S. Kutte and Mahendra Pratap have been appointed as Additional Director General of Railways and Inspector General of Intelligence respectively. Senior IPS officer Asad Panigrahi has been given the charge of IG Eastern Range in the reshuffle. Even as Odisha is waiting response from the centre about the location of Odisha campus of Indian Institute of Management IIM, the United Action Committee is contemplating to hold a token strike from April 1st in Bhubaneswar demanding the Premier Business School to be set up in the state capital. Similarly, the demand for IIM in Balasore, Rourkela and Barampur has refused to die down yet. Union Minister Jewel Oram argued that the top-notch B school of the country should be set up in the western part of the state. Odisha government had initially recommended centre to set up the institute in Bhubaneswar. Later, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik wrote to Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani recommending Sambalpur as the permanent venue for the institute.
IIM pai आमे केंद्र सरकार एवं राज्य सरकार को अनुरोध करिछु पश्चिमांचल कोनोसी जगार राउरकेला संबलपुर किंबा झारसुगुड़ा ये जगार हेउ बोलिकरी एबे भी से दाबी रे आमे कायम रहिछु एवं राज्य सरकार एटा को पश्चिम ओडिसा रे दियंतु बोलिकरी मोर दाबी
जे गोटपाटना होची प्रकृत उपयुक्त जगह ताकू जदि राजनीति पूरे परिवर्तन करा आमे प्रथम गोटे टुकन करूँ एप्रिल 1 तारिख ओडिशा दिवस स्वाभिमान दिवस आम मास्टर कैंटीन पाखे गोटे प्रोटेस्ट करूँ जदि सरकार मासक भीतर न कले विधानसभा घेराव करूँ।
Around 40 residential houses were set ablaze when members of two rival groups allegedly hurled bombs at each other and set afire thatched houses at Ambagaon village in Ganjam district of Odisha today. Fire tenders rushed to the spot and brought the blaze under control. The incident occurred when one group set ablaze the houses belonging to their rival groups by pouring kerosene, while some other houses were gutted due to explosion of crude bombs hurled at them. Police have arrested 11 persons in connection with the incident. The police said quantum of loss due to the fire is yet to be assessed.
आंबगारे गत किछि दिन हेला दुई पटे टेंशन लगी रही छी एई बाबत रे पुलिस 107 रे बाउंड डाउन भी करथला इनिशियली 12 लोक तापरे 48 लोक को बाउंड डाउन भी करथला से माने पर्सनल सिक्योरिटी भी देइथिले एबे वर्तमान गतकाली सामान्य बचसा को नहीं कि तांकर भितर से माने पुनः माडगोल लगी छंती एथर किछि घर भी से माने पोड़ी दे छंती टोटल 41 टी घर पोड़ा है छी ये इंसिडेंट को देखिक किसी लोक को डिटेन करा है छी एबे तदंत चली छी वर्तमान गाँव रे लेडीज अच्छी पुरुष लोग समस्त फेरार हो जाती से एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्स मिलूनी बट जहाँ जना पड़ुछि सामान्य बचसा को नहीं कि 2-4 लोक भितर माडगोल लगिले तापरे से माने उभय पक्ष अधिका संख्यार आसिकी से माने घर फर पोड़ी एवं माडगोल लगी.
In a tragic incident, 2 students drowned while taking bath in Bay of Bengal near Gopalpur of Ganjam district yesterday. The unfortunate incident took place when K. Dinesh of Kamlapur and Satyabrat Mahanti of Barhampur were taking bath in the sea with some other friends. Both were identified as students of Khalikot College in Barhampur. Police meanwhile seized the bodies and sent them for post-mortem. A case of unnatural death has been registered. Now news from sports. The league matches of East Zone Saeed Mustaq Ali T20 tournament will commence at Barabati Stadium in Cuttack from March 25th. Elaborating about the fixture, Odisha Cricket Association Secretary Ashirvad Behra said the knockout matches will be held between April 1st and 7th at Kit and Dreams grounds. 5 teams, Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Tripura and Assam will participate in the tournament. The Odisha team for the tournament was declared on Sunday, in which 4 new faces found place under the captainship of Biplab Samantrai. Behra said top order bowler Basant Mahanti, batsman Paresh Patel and Haldar Das were excluded from the list due to injuries.
आमर तो मेन पिला दुटा इंजोर्ड हो जो कि परेश पटेल और बसंत महांती जोटा कि आम बहुत महंगा पड़ पारे कारण से दुटा होनी वन डे बहुत भल पिला 15 जनिया टीम हो कैप्टेन होती विप्लव सामंतराय बाकी 4टी नुआ पिला गोटे हूँ प्रतीक दास से ओपन करेंगे गोटे पेस बॉलर आशुतोष दास को नियाई सेमती रोशन कुमार को नियाई विकेट कीपर गोटे नुआ टेस्ट करुचु.
As many as 22 platoons of police force will be deployed between Puri and Kakatpur during Banajaga Jatra, which is beginning from March 29th. Holding a meeting with Daitapati Nijog, Puri Superintendent of Police Ashish Kumar Singh said that elaborate arrangements will be made for the Banajaga Jatris to ensure smooth conduct of the event. Similarly, 40 police personnel will be in charge of escorting the servitors team. Singh said a special patrolling van will also be engaged at a distance of every 5 to 6 km. The official said an assistant commandant will look into traffic regulation. Before wrapping up the headlines once again, Odisha government in talks with Centre for granting iron ore mine to POSCO, says Minister in State Legislative Assembly. Prime Minister Narendra Modi likely to dedicate modernization project of Rourkela steel plant to the nation during one-day trip to the city on April 1st. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar says India is watchful and ready to deal with the threats from Somali pirates who are shifting base towards India. Congress raises record of rights for slum dwellers issue in Assembly. Minister says steps are being taken to address the problem. And government admits that commercial tax to the tune of more than Rs 2,333 crore lying uncollected from different business units and organizations. Thank you for watching. Good night.